Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $38.80. Okay, and if you look at the trend, what we have seen, silver mostly trades in a zone. Okay, and whenever there is a zone breakout happens, we have seen it goes up and then again move up in a particular zone, and then again it goes upside as well as downside. Then it create a zone pattern. So when the zone move out happens, then it tries to go upside as well as downside, and then it form and move in a zone and then a further upside, as we have seen in the price of silver. If you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, that there is a continuous upside we have seen, and after this particular pattern we have seen there is a continuous upside. Only after the period when the price was around 29 we have seen a fall. Otherwise there is a continuous upside we have seen in the silver price. Okay, this is the day wise chart. I'll show you a higher time frame, that is on a weekly basis, where you will understand how the price is moving. See, now the trend as per on the weekly chart, we have seen it is trying to go on a green candle, as you can see, for this particular week. And suppose if the price keep moving above this level, probability is higher it can move towards $39.2, and if the price going above that level, probability of going towards 39.6 will be there. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can rise above that level, and we can see it can move above a level of $40 also. Okay, you have to keep it in mind, because see, the price of silver already touched a level of 44.2 also, and already touched a level of 49 point, which is an all-time high. So probability is high that, see, gold has already touched its all-time high. Okay, but the silver is still waiting towards a level of 49.5, which is its all-time high. So we can see there can be a rise compared to gold. Okay, the silver can move for much faster compared to gold, because we have seen the price of silver is still to touch its all-time high. Okay, looking at the weekly chart, we can see that the price from for 4 weeks we have seen there is a continuous upside, but only in this particular week we have seen that the previous week we have seen it formed a red candle, but from the 3 weeks we have seen there is a rise. And we can see, if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous rise chart we have seen. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, let's see how the 15 minutes chart is trending. There is a sharp rise we have seen in the price of silver on a 15 minutes chart, that is on the Friday we have seen there is a sharp rise. Okay, because of the event is there, and it is again is trying to form to after making a half on 39.6, try to go down, but it is creating a flag pattern, as you can see looking at this particular chart. So chances can be high, if it started going below 38.8, then we can see there can be a further fall with a support 38.7 to a level of 38.4, and after that 38.2. But if it keep moving upside above a level of 38.92, because we have seen, see, there is a hammer is forming, okay, in the green candle. So we can see there can be a change in the trend and can move towards 38.9 to a level of 38 point. After 38.9, a further upside can be seen towards 39, and then a further upside can be seen. Coming back again on the 2 hours chart, see, on a higher time frame, you can understand that the price on a 2 hours chart, those who are trading on the basis of 2 hours chart, we have seen that it has already formed a swing at this level. So if the price keep moving below a level of 38.8, chances of going further fall can be seen, and it can go further down towards the next support of 38.7, and if that didn't sustain, to a level of 38.6, and then we can see a strong support coming at 38.2 level. Coming back again on a weekly chart, what we can see in the weekly chart showing an uptrend, as you can see looking at this particular level. So if the price keep moving off this level, probability of touching $39 we can see, and if the price moving off that particular level, chance of touching 39.14 is there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards 39.5, which is an all-time high, which is around which is a high we have seen after a very long time. So chances are high that it can touch a level of 39.5, and once the price moving above 39.5, keep trailing your SL by $0.5. Okay, so that the price, if it keeps started going towards next resistance of 40.7, at least you are capturing to 0.5, and a profit can be saved. Okay, so if it started sustaining over 40, $38. We can see it can move towards 41.4 and then a further upside. Okay, and then you can keep trailing your SL, but once the price started going above 40, I'll make another video where it can go. But suppose if the price started falling below this level, what we can see, suppose if it started falling below this level, it can move towards next support of 38.7, and if the price falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards $38.2. Suppose if the price falling below that particular level, chances of going towards 37.5 is there, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards $36.8. Okay, so you have to understand, as soon as the price started going below 37.5, we can see a level of $36.8, and from there a further downfall can be seen towards 37. Suppose if the price falling below 37, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of 36.8, and then a further fall can be seen towards $36.3. Okay, and if the price falling below this level, it will go below a level of $36.2, which is already weak, so we can see the price will fall further down, and yes, after that the price can touch a level of around 35.6, and then a further fall can be seen.